Hello, hello. My name is Dari Diaz. I am a student at the UNAD Open and Discussion University. The topic and go the present you is. Mm, this topic be green. This topic has been fundamental for all use. Is about um, is about awareness, education, and science, example for children who represent the future. Taking care of planet involving and making more sustainable decisions in our daily lives. Some effective actions we can adopt are um, reduce, and um, recycle the used plastics and deposit products. Save energy, turn off light the electric derivative when they are not being used. Use less water to of the time while brushing your teeth. Save lights and use an efficient immigration system. Mm, water plants during hours of low sun exposure to evaporation. Um, have every doing their part these tanks, um, which had not been difficult, can make a big difference. Together, we can improve our ecosystem. White is essential for a healthier world and contributed in the well-being of the environment. Thank you.